I would like to start off by saying that a lot of people have negative perceptions of the towing industry. The industry has transformed itself over the years to a very professional and necessary service to our community. Unfortunately, our employees' actions on public display. But I cannot help but wonder what our perceptions would be of some of our corporate industries if their boardrooms were publicly displayed. The point we are trying to make is, as with any industry, do you get your bad apples? But it is in the minority, and we should thus not judge the industry based on its rogue units. When I speak about the things to look out for, am I doing so to educate you as to ensure you do not fall prey to the few bad guys? But enough of that, let's move on. Post any accident, is it critical for you to quickly assess the damages to the vehicle? Sometimes the decision is made for you in that the vehicle cannot start and or move. The vehicle clearly needs to be towed. And then sometimes it is a little bit more tricky because on face value, does the vehicle seem fine? It is recommended that you generally turn the key to see if there are any emergency lights popping up. If not, then try and start the vehicle and listen carefully if you can hear any noise coming from the engine or the vehicle. Then inspect the exterior to see if there are any parts obstructing the wheels of the vehicle. Lastly, just open the bonnet to see if you can see any visible damage to the radiator or engine. If you are still not 100% comfortable, then throw caution to the wind or ask a friend that knows a little more that is in close proximity to come and assist. In most instances, is it an open and shut case though? If you have your phone with you, try and take as many photos possible. You never know when you might need them. Now, every industry has its tricks up its sleeve, and in the towing fraternity, one of those tricks are to instill fear by suggesting driving the vehicle after a minor incident could lead to the airbags deploying or put your safety at risk. Sometimes this is good advice, but you still need to apply common sense and do the basic assessments mentioned above. Remember guys, towing operators only get paid if they tow the vehicle. So they have everything to gain in towing a perfectly drivable vehicle. Again, the honest operator will review the damages and advise it is fine to continue driving and move on. So you might ask me, Shaun, what is the issue? Just let them tow the vehicle. The problem? Not all clients have car hire, which means once your vehicle is towed, will you be without wheels for the entire claims and repair process? And if your vehicle's parts are on back order, might this be cause for even more inconvenience? Okay, but I have car hire. Sure, your rental is most likely only 30 days. So, do you want to use up some of those 30 days unnecessarily, which could lead to the claim and the repair process possibly exceeding 30 days, again leaving you without wheels? No, I don't think so. Not to mention the additional burden we place on claims cost. And remember guys, the only people paying for additional claims cost expenditure is us as consumers. Increased claims cost always finds its way back into the premium pool. Okay, so we have established it is a tow. The next logical question is, who is to tow the vehicle? If you are insured, then the only way to go is to contact your insurance company and have them appoint a service provider. And when we say you, we mean you, making the call from your mobile phone to your insurance company. Why? Rogue units will ask you who you're insured with. Once you confirm the insurer's name, will they make the call on their mobile number and then give the phone to you saying that this is your insurer on the line. Very nice service, isn't it? The only problem is you are speaking to an agent in their office and not to your insurance company. They will then make you believe you did do the appropriate thing, and they will confirm their towing company is authorized and you can allow them to tow the vehicle. The other common occurrence is clients taking on face value that the towing company confirms he or she are providers of your insurance company and therefore blindly trusts. Again, if this is the case, then you phone your insurer and confirm who is on the scene, and they will confirm if the operator is affiliated and whether they can tow the vehicle. Why do we mention this? Once a rogue towing operator has uplifted your vehicle, would they take it to their premises? The insurance company will phone for a release fee and then be charged astronomical amounts. Believe me when I say 20,000 Rands release fee from a rogue unit is not uncommon. Now, if you did not follow your insurer's instruction in getting them to authorize the tow, will they only pay the reasonable towing cost? This will lead to you paying the brunt of the absorbent release fee. So the rule of law is always phone your insurance company and have them take control of the towing and destination. Other important tips: don't just sign the towing slip. Check what was filled in and only sign if you agree with what was completed. Remove all your valuable possessions from the vehicle. Get the towing operator's mobile number, since you might require it in future again. And then lastly, ask for the destination of your vehicle, i.e. where are they taking your vehicle, and make a note thereof. Okay. We are way over our time and I can talk about this topic in greater detail. I hope you have learned a thing or two, and look out for our third and final video on what to do when you are involved in an accident.